Hey, welcome to Toys Unlocked. We are about to open day 10 of our Lego Harry Potter Advent Calendar, and I have no idea what's in here, but I'm really excited to see that it's Ron Weasley in his dress robes. Looking good, Ron. Come on out. Let's see how terrible they are. Okay, I seem to remember the book making a pretty big deal about how terrible Ron's dress robes were. But when I look at the cute printing on him, this isn't terrible at all. You can't see a moldy collar. Look how happy he is. He's happy because his dress robes are not as terrible as the book implied. Oh, now he's mad and out of focus. Um, I want him to be happy because he looks really quite dashing. Look at that grin. He's so cheeky. Okay, put his hair on. I don't love the hair. I know it's accurate to the movie, but I was never really a fan of their very, very long hair. It does look pretty good in minifigure form, though. I think I prefer it this way. All right, let's see if we can get the wand in first try. Oh my gosh, someone called the newspapers immediately. I just put the wand in, and it didn't go flying, and I didn't lose any pieces. And look, Ron looks cute. Let's put him on the couch with Harry. Best friends forever on the best friend couch. Can't sit here. There's not enough room. I remember this issue with Cho Chang. I don't know why I thought it would suddenly work. Like magic. It is not magic. Okay, we'll just have Harry then, and maybe we can make Ron fit him. Oh, sorry, Harry. Nope. Okay. Well, you know what? Ron is the main build today, so Harry, you have to sit on the floor. Ron, maybe you can sit next to him. I think it's just really the only fair thing to do. Okay, neither of you get to sit. Fine. Okay, we'll put Ron on there one more time. Right there. And guys, I really, really want Harry to be able to sit next to him. They're best friends. Best friends should be able to sit next to each other on a couch. Please, come. Oh, hey, look at that. That kind of works. There you go. That's Ron Weasley, and he's in his dress robes, and he's confiding in his best friend Harry. And I think that's all I have to say about day 9. Ron Weasley minifigure, pretty cool, pretty cute, pretty accurate. I'll see you tomorrow for day 10. Bye.